Hello everybody, today I'll be working on Doodlebob from SpongeBob. Please like this video and let's get started. So before we get started with Doodlebob, we're going to make the pencil first. The pencil is going to start off with the poster. It's going to make our poster. So I put tape on the edge, on the sides, on the line so you can stay and hold it. And moving on to the next part. So the next thing is I put a pink paper top on it for the eraser. And it's getting closer to look like a pencil. It's getting there. But now, next thing is we're going to put this on the top below the eraser. So far so good. Everything is looking so good for the part of the process right now, and I'll be doing the bottoms in a minute. I just fixed the bottom right now and it looks so fantastic. I try my best effort, so it's a pencil. The next thing is I put a yellow piece of paper around it to look like exactly the pencil. And completely done. I 100% guarantee completed the pencil for now. So let's move on to the next part, Doodlebob. Now let's get started with Doodlebob. So Doodlebob is a little bit hard to make. All you gotta do is draw exactly the face. But first I'm gonna trace black around it, around the rectangle. Now I'm drawing a straight line for Doodlebob for the tie. Now it's time to trace the tie. Well, I'm halfway done. All I gotta do is do the mouth and the nose and the eyes. Okay, there was a huge problem. I did messed up big time. I messed up the eye. It looked like Doodlebob had a black eye. But luckily, I bought a new one and I made another one, which just looked even more better. And also, I didn't get the chance to record the eye part, the nose part either. Now I'm completely done. Now you're gonna have to watch me put this on. So let's get to it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I just completed Doodlebob the costume. This could take a couple weeks to make it. I worked so hard on this. I did messed up one part. It was the eye, but I got it through it. Now I made a new one, and now it's completely looking like Doodlebob from SpongeBob. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe to JS Creator. I'll be making more costumes very soon on here on this channel. Thank you guys so much and have a good day.